At item 6, special recognition and acknowledgements. Are we ready for A? 5-star, or do you want to push that? Okay. How about B? Recognition of Eagle Scout Kallahan McKee for his project repairing the walkway at the Perry Museum.
He's here, yes.
Great. Awesome. Come on in, Kallahan. Front and center. Councilmember Rocky, can I turn this over?
Sure.
Over to you?
Callahan here just completed an Eagle Scout project for the Friendswood Historical Society, and while oh, that's for me. Oh, okay. While he was working at it, several of us went over to look, and I think, is your mother here?
Yes.
Yeah. Where's she at?
Somewhere.
Oh, okay. I think you recommended to me we should do something for Eagle Scouts at council meetings, and I thought that was a really good idea. So I think we're going to try in the future. You're the first here, but we're going to try in the future to get Eagle Scouts and Gold Award project winners to come up and introduce themselves and tell a little bit about their project. So why don't you give us a couple minutes about the project?
So for my project, I was tasked with redoing the Perry Home Walkway. And let's see. So basically what I did was I took out the flagstone, made the pathway nice and level, put the pavers in first, and then I put the flagstone in, put sand all around the flagstone, and tampered it like a lot. And so yeah, that was my project. It took like 200 plus hours, and it was a lot of work.
You did all 200 hours yourself? Or?
Yes.
Good job.
No.
Give credit where credit's due. You did it all. Okay. Yes. I guess so.
We had the first day we had like about 35 people, and then that was just like the big long like stuff of just doing all that stuff. And then like the rest of the days we're just like 2 hours here, 2 hours there, just like doing not as much stuff, just like making sure everything was nice and neat, the quality control, I guess. And so, yeah.
Is there anyone you'd like to thank, like your parents maybe?
Yeah. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
Well, it looks really good. So
Yeah.
thanks a lot, Callahan. We appreciate it.